Forget.
Forget.
Miss
Miss Iman.
Iman and
Hilal.
Hilal. Come from
Australia.
Australia. Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hilal means Arabic.
Yes, it's Arabic.
In Indonesia bulan month. Hilal. Kalau bulan. Okay, we go chocolate.
Asa, you can record.
Nah, lanjutkan kamera.
Ay, manyanga.
Ya masuk kelas jadwal.
Asa, come first.
Yes.
You want to sit my class? Okay, let's go. Go to my class. Kalau lebih dekat lah.
No stres itu. Nggak stres kamu.
Okay, come on, follow.
Okay.
Go to my class.
Hilal.
With Miss Hilal and
Iman.
Iman and Hilal, Miss Iman and Hilal. Go to my class, come on.
Okay. Ay, what's that? Oh. Go to the class. Go to the class.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
And I'm from Australia.
Oke, nama ibu ini Iman dari Australia.
My name is Hilal, and I'm from Sydney, Australia.
Nah, juga sama Hilal dari Australia. Ada yang mau ngomong? You want to say something? Ada yang mau ngomong? Sama guru? This is a volunteer English program, teaching program. Okay, good. How are you today? I'm good. Regular. Di sini memang banyak gitu ya. Kita tes sekali lagi.
How are you today?
Good.
Ulang sekali lagi. Ask again.
How are you today?
Good. Okay.
What grade?
No.
Year 1, what year? Year 4?
Two. Oh yes. Basic ABC. Alphabet.
Orang mana?
No.
Orang Australia.
Oke, mau bilang sesuatu? Nggak ada mau bilang sesuatu. Oke, thank you Miss. Thank you.
Say
Miss.
thank you.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Miss. Bye-bye.
Oke, bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you Miss.